Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Renelle. So if you notice, I am filming in a different area today. So I'm just sitting in the corner of my makeup room at my vanity where I actually do my makeup every morning. So what's the reason why I'm filming in a different location is simply because I'm going to be moving all of my filming equipment and stuff like that to a filming location, and it's going to be like a studio. And we are still currently working on that, and I have my filming table right now piled with a bunch of stuff that me and my son went out and bought for my studio. My husband's still working on it, so hopefully we will be in there by this coming weekend. So right now this is the setup that we're dealing with. I hope there's enough light. I had my son check and he said that he's seen me just fine, so we're just kind of going like that right now. So anyway, enough of that. What I'm going to be doing is I am going to be doing my my Sephora Play unboxing. And it comes in a box like this. It is a $10 a month subscription.
Does it like where it comes from?
It's Sephora Play, or Play by Sephora, I meant. So
I thought it comes from like a certain location and stuff.
It's just Sephora. So we did receive a pamphlet, and
it's upside down.
this is not like the BoxyCharm box, because I do like to stress that BoxyCharm you get 5 to 6 samples of full size. With this you get sample sizes, and it looks like the theme for this was Welcome to the Beauty Boardwalk. So this is the pamphlet that we did receive, and it does show you everything that you received in the box. Now,
does it say like the price on it?
Now this is, oh my bad, go ahead and move that box. I drop everything. I don't have a lot of room over here. So this is the bag that we got this month. It's super, super pretty. It's white, a bag with a pink ribbon, and this is what it says.
Hot, hot, hot.
Okay, is that what it says?
Yeah.
Okay, so it says hot, hot, hot. Now, I'm going to pull the first thing out. It looks like it's the Murad Nutrient Charged Water Gel. I should have opened this up. This just totally was not expecting that. That surprised me. Okay, so it is a super hydrating water gel that locks in moisture, visible plump skin, and helps smooth the look of fine lines. It is massaged evenly over face, neck, and chest before applying SPF. Ooh.
Sure.
It's really good smell. Now, I don't know if you can tell that or not. Can you see that?
Towards me.
Well, it shows white in there, but it's pink, and
it
smells very good. Now,
looks like a candy pink, kind of.
oh, okay. My son said it looked like a candy pink. I really couldn't tell. You do get 7.5 milliliters in this, so it's not a very big sample, but it's good enough to use to see if you would like it or not. Okay, so the next thing, it doesn't tell how much it is. That's one thing I don't like about this, is with BoxyCharm it tells you exactly how much it is. With this Sephora Play, it does not. Okay, so then the other thing that we received is the BVL. I'll just show it to you. Okay, baby, I see it's right there. So this is what the perfume looks like. This is a sample size perfume. It is Pink Sapphire, which is my birth month color and my favorite color. And this is what the bottle looks like. It's very, very tiny. Sorry. So as you can tell, it's very, very tiny. Let me smell this.
That smells good. Mostly sprayed towards me, but
well, you got my way. Okay, and then the next item that we received is the Clinique Take the Day Off Makeup Remover for lids, lashes, and lips. Now this is one, if you can tell, the bottle is let's see, right there's the top, and then right here is this second part, so you actually have to shake it up to get both of them to mix. Now this is the liquid version of it. You do get 1 fluid ounce, which is really good. This is it says that it is
Clean like a dream.
Clean like a dream. You shake well and then apply a cotton pad, face pad on your eyes and lips and hold for a few seconds, then wipe away with downward strokes. So it is like a micellar water or something like that, to where you don't actually have to have water to activate this. So I have the cleansing balm, I think, or something like that, and I really enjoy that. I love Clinique because it's very easy to use it and it does not irritate my skin at all. So another one that we received is the Living Proof Frizz Nourishing Styling Cream.
Made in the shade. What's that it's called?
Okay, so this is from Living Proof. You apply generously to clean, damp hair from roots to ends. You comb through and style as usual. So you do get 1 fluid ounce of this, and I love Living Proof. It's really good. This is a no frizz nourishing styling cream. It is
Called
silicone-free, color-safe cream, smooths hair texture, and moisturizes for a polished look that's ready for any occasion. It smells really good. Their stuff usually really does.
that's made in the shade.
Okay. Yes. Okay, so this is supposed to be my foundation shade, which I've probably got 5 of these, and I'm never going to have to buy the full-size bottle because I have so many of the tiny ones. So this is the Makeup Forever.
Made in the shade.
That's not the name of it, baby.
Oh.
Oh, sorry, my cat was pulling my background down. So this is the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Invisible Cover Foundation in Y245. This is supposed to be my exact match. I'm not sure for which one, for summer or winter, but I think it's more winter. So this is a foundation. Like I said, I like it. I really never have to buy the full size because, again, I've got so many of these that I get as samples when I order stuff from Sephora. Oh, that's dark. That's probably going to be, no, wait a minute. Nope, that's my winter. I don't know, I probably could pass for both. So as you can see right there, it's probably not going to show up.
Right about there.
It is my exact match. I don't even know why I was trying to show it to you, to be honest. But I really do enjoy this. Like I said, it's one of my favorites. And then the last one that I've received, and I'm really excited for this, is the Melted Matte Too Faced Liquid Lipstick. It is in the color Queen Bee. And again, this is a sample size. I have so many of these. I really, really enjoy their, let's see, where's it stupid at? The colors of these. Actually, I'm going to go ahead and put it on right now. That's my bad. My bad. Let's see what color it does look like. I've not tried this color. And that's what the color looks like. And that's all we have, so I wanted just to make a very short video of what I received. Now this was
Sephora Play.
I know it's my Sephora Play, what my June Sephora Play box. So I just got it in the mail today, and I wanted to come back this video, so I figured I would go ahead and show you all what we've received or what I received and stuff like that. So I certainly hope that you all like it, and if you do,
Drop a lot.
What?
It's called Drop a Lock.
Drop a lock? I'm not that cool. Alright, anyway, well, thank you for tuning in, and I hope that you have a great day.